about what is the against whom it that from?
I filed a FIR against an individual. I don't want to comment much about it because the matter is sub judice. Lekin this is regarding calling our people, calling me Chinese party, Chinese dalal, Chinese auntie, referring to our community. It is very sad that today even someone like me who I have to defend my community, my own family's name and my community's name because we are referred to as Chinese. This says a lot about what our country is all about. That it is not only about the students who suffer in elsewhere. Even in the northeast, sometimes we are targeted by being called Chinky or Chinese ka dalal. So I think it hurt our sentiments, and I filed the case because I told our people, don't react, don't indulge in anything which is illegal. There is a court, and we will take it to the court and have a justice given to us through the legal channels. So that's why we have come here. We have filed the case, and we are fully hopeful that the court will deliver justice to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you.